Hi, I'm Jennifer Halls Wood. My husband John and I have owned and operated Walker Tree Care for 29 years. Not only do we have a passion for the tree care industry, but we are dedicated to teaching our employees the safety standards of our industry. We continuously train our employees on first aid and CPR training. At our company, we value climbing techniques. It's important for all of our climbers to be able to safely perform an aerial climbing rescue. So in the event of an emergency in the field, our crews can assist their other crew members. Our industry has its own inherent daily safety risks. We operate chainsaws and heavy equipment all day, every day in the field and in unusual weather conditions. It's important for your contractors to know how to safely use a chainsaw and perform safe tree felling techniques. Our crews encounter unique situations on a daily basis, performing tree operations on residential and municipal job sites. It's important that your contractor have multiple types of equipment and climbing techniques to be able to safely get your work done.